I feel it to my heart and soul.
Where is your mercy? Where is the love, God, that is shed abroad in your heart?
Welcome to the first ever food drive campaign organized by the InnerCity Mission with her sponsors in Lagos, Nigeria.
Got a love of God is shed abroad in my heart.
Don't let that child suffer another day. Don't let that child miss another meal. Give a helping hand. Take them from the streets, for they are your kids.
With me here is Ijoma. Ijoma, could you tell us what is going on here? What's happening?
Wow, what's happening here is the first ever food drive organized by the InnerCity Mission and her sponsors in Lagos, Nigeria. I'm so excited because many people are waking up to the challenge of the poor. I am so excited. People are committed, people are eager, but we have people bringing in their food items, and what joy fills my heart.
Wow, it's amazing.
From the inner city to the government house.
The food drive is set up in order to fill our food banks, to feed hungry children on the streets, because I know what it feels like to be hungry.
All around me, I see boxes of food, I see mountains of raw food. You know, it's amazing the response that people have made, you know. So many hungry people around have lifted up their hands to ask for help. And so many people have answered.
Yeah.
What a beautiful thing.
It's so beautiful. And you know, to know that they've answered, they are the answer to the cry of many indigent children and families. They are, like UNICEF released the statistics that every 3 seconds a child dies out of hunger. And they said hunger is the world's most solvable problem.
That's true.
You can imagine it is solvable, yet children still die.
Exactly.
Of that. And what would it
3
cost for a
seconds.
meal? And that is why our partners are here today, donating raw food materials, and they are ensuring that no child within the reach of the InnerCity Mission goes to bed hungry. I'm so excited.
Come open up your heart and let the children come. Let them come, let them come. Open up your heart, open up your hands. Let them come, let them come. Open up your pocket and give the youth a mass. Let them come, let them come. From the inner city to the government house. Let them come.